Hi everyone, today I'm going to be testing my Ionic app in dark mode. I have an image here with a lion. It's got a white background. I've got a black title with a black close button. So in dark mode I want to make sure that I can still see this title, still see the close button for this dialogue when it comes up. So how do you test that in dark mode? And Ionic already has a lot of the CSS already done. So I just want to make sure it works correctly, especially for users that automatically switch to dark mode. So what I'm going to do, I've got my developer tools here opened up. I'm going to go and customize the developer tools, go to more tools, and then I want to look for rendering. There's rendering right there. This will open up another panel here, and I'm going to, when I start at the top, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a section called Prefers Color Scheme. There it is, Emulate CSS Media Feature, Prefers Color Scheme. And I'm going to select Dark, Prefers Dark. And right away you see the background changes to dark. I can see the CSS styles that have been selected. I can modify those here, just kind of play around with them. And I can see that my title and my close button, they changed to white, which is awesome. So now in dark mode, I can see what's actually happening. I can see the close button and close that if I want to. And then I can play around with the CSS if I want to. And when I'm all done, I just change it back to no emulation or even the light mode as well. It's a little thing I found out a while ago. I know it's been in DevTools, but I keep on forgetting where that is, and I also keep on forgetting to test in dark mode. I need to make sure I do that before I go into beta or test an app. So I hope this helps you, really quick and easy, and helps you kind of find any dark mode bugs.